delving into the alkalizing body pH and cancer prevention hypothesis, a scientific exploration. The notion of alkalizing the body's pH to prevent cancer has gained significant attention in recent years. This concept stems from the observation that cancer cells exhibit a preference for acidic environments. Proponents of alkalization therapy advocate for altering the body's pH to a more alkaline state, thereby creating an unfavorable environment for cancer cells to thrive and potentially reducing the risk of cancer development. Scientific backing of alkalization and cancer prevention. While the idea of alkalization and cancer prevention remains an area of ongoing research, there is some scientific evidence to support this hypothesis. A study published in the prestigious journal, Cancer Research, demonstrated that mice fed an alkaline diet exhibited a lower incidence of cancer compared to those consuming an acidic diet. Additionally, in vitro, laboratory-based, studies have shown that cancer cells exhibit decreased proliferation and increased apoptosis, programmed cell death, in an alkaline environment. Potential mechanisms underlying alkalization and cancer prevention. Several potential mechanisms have been proposed to explain how alkalization may influence cancer prevention. One theory suggests that an alkaline environment may disrupt tumor angiogenesis, the process by which new blood vessels form to supply tumors with nutrients and oxygen. This disruption of angiogenesis could starve tumors of vital nutrients, hindering their growth and spread. Additionally, alkalization may enhance the activity of natural killer (NK) cells, immune cells that play a crucial role in cancer surveillance and elimination. NK cells are more effective in an alkaline environment, enabling them to better identify and eliminate cancer cells. Limitations and directions for future research. Despite the intriguing findings from animal and in vitro studies, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of current research on alkalization and cancer prevention. Most studies have been conducted in preclinical models, meaning they have not been tested in humans. More extensive human trials are needed to establish the efficacy and safety of alkalization therapy in cancer prevention. Furthermore, the complex relationship between pH and cancer development warrants further investigation. While an acidic environment may favor cancer cell growth, the role of pH in cancer initiation and progression remains unclear. Additionally, the impact of alkalization therapy on overall health outcomes, including potential side effects, requires thorough evaluation. Conclusion. The concept of alkalizing the body's pH as a strategy for cancer prevention holds promise, but more rigorous scientific research is essential to fully elucidate its potential benefits and limitations. While preliminary evidence suggests that alkalization may influence cancer cell behavior, further investigation is needed to determine its effectiveness and safety in human populations. As research progresses, a clearer understanding of the relationship between pH and cancer may pave the way for novel therapeutic approaches in cancer prevention and treatment. In the meantime, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any alkalization therapy or making significant changes to your diet.